Hey guys, just got home. Wanted to get on here for a couple of minutes. We just did the live stream a little while ago on the amp giveaway. I'm hoping that the gentleman that won will contact me so I can get it out to him and he could start enjoying it. We got the Chevelle running today. I posted a very quick video of it with my phone earlier, but it simply overpowered the speakers. It was ridiculous. I luckily was able to get some video of it on this camera. I don't know how it's going to sound, how it's going to come across, because it did at the time still have open headers on it. The car is obnoxious. It's absolutely incredible. That fuel injection system is an ass kicker. The car should be extremely fast for what it is. It hits very hard. So far, so good. So we have to do some final tuning on it, and we have to finish buttoning up all the little things on it, but it's coming along, and it's progress, right? The car runs now. I got 2 video clips, 2 segments that I'm going to post up. I'm going to put up with this, on here in a moment. It's going to be the vehicle running first with the open headers on it, and then we spent another few hours and we fabricated up the X-pipe to fit with the headers that are on the vehicle now. So you got 3.5-inch header collectors going into 3-inch exhaust, and it's pretty nasty, man. It's going through mufflers. It still sounds nasty. It toned it down a lot. It's more livable. The car has 13.5 to 1 compression. It's running on E85. Through this fuel injection system, the Edelbrock ProFlo 4. This thing is going to be nasty. So I'm just going to post up some quick videos here for you guys of that. In the future, if you guys are interested, we're going to, obviously we're going to be racing the car, taking it down to the track. I'm going to be joining my buddy Dave down there. And in the meantime, while we get the car set up and get it tuned and everything, we're going to, obviously take it out, drive it, monitor the system. So I will try to get some video. If you guys care about that stuff, we'll try to get some video of that, and we'll see how the car is going down the road and see what you guys think. So for now, at least you get to hear it run. Hoping that this picked it up a little bit better than the phone, because the phone gets blacked out pretty quick. So we'll see. Go ahead.